45, Your Honor, if I may,
Yes,
there
please.
are 17 canceled titles,
So that makes it 28?
and out of the remaining 28, the titles registered under Maria Cristina R. Corona married to Renato Corona, or Renato Corona married to Cristina Corona, Your Honor, would only be around would be 17, Your Honor.
17.
17, Your Honor. And there are additional documents here, Your Honor, particularly the originating titles of the Bellagio properties, which are still included, but they are already canceled. Those are 4 titles, Your Honor. That would give us the remaining 13.
Mm-hmm.
And if we exclude as well the Marikina properties, Your Honor, which should be 7 titles,
7.
Your Honor.
That makes it 6.
That makes it 6 titles, Your Honor.
5 are listed in the SALN.
In this list, Your Honor, and that is 6, Your Honor, because there is a big lot that has actually 2 titles, Your Honor. And as far as the SALN of the Chief Justice, Your Honor, is concerned, there are 5 lots there, Your Honor, listed, Your Honor.
Mr. President, to save the time of the court, can we ask that perhaps as you dwindle down the list, perhaps it can be made a subject matter of admissions on the part of both counsels if they can meet outside of the court so that you will only prove the remainder? If that is possible, Mr. President, Your Honor, to save on the time of the court.
That will be acceptable to this representation, Your Honor.
Would the 2 panels agree to meet and trace out the figures?
Yes, Your Honor.
Para yung balanse na lang, Mr. President, ang ipresenta nila dito.
Tama po yun.
We appreciate the suggestion, Your Honor, and we gladly agree to that.
All right. Then you do it when do you want to do it? Tomorrow? In the morning?
Tomorrow, Your Honor.
Tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning.
In that case, Your Honor, may we move for continuance, Your Honor, so that we can confer with counsel, Your Honor.
All right.
What other questions you want to ask from this witness? Baka pwede i-stipulate din natin yan.
Will the good counsel also stipulate that there are listings here of under the names of other people not known to the witness, and that the witness also does not know whether they are related to the Chief Justice and his family?
The best evidence would be the documents. If there are names there not related to the Chief Justice, then that's it.
Precisely, I want to draw that out from the witness if he knows whether in his preparation of this list of documents, Your Honor, he was able to verify or examine whether these names are either related or had anything to do with Chief Justice, Your Honor, and his family. Because apparently, Your Honor, the request was limited only to the properties or titles under the names of the Chief Justice and his family. And it appears from this list that there are actually people or names included, Your Honor.
Then maybe you can
That would
agree.
be part of the examination and agreement, Your Honor, between counsel.
Yes. The gentleman from San Juan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I would just like to propound some questions to the witness, Mr.
Yes,
President.
please.
Mr. Witness, may I ask how did you come up with the list of the 45 properties?
Computer search, Your Honor.
Only computer search. Kasi base sa tinatanong ng defense at sinasang-ayunan ng prosecution, ay nabawasan na ito ng 28. Ang panig naman ng prosecution ay 21 na lang at gustong patunayan pa rin ng defense na mas mababa pa sa bilang ng 21. Ngayon, nung nirelease niyo po ang listahan upon request ni Congressman Tupas nung tumawag sa inyo, yun ba i-double check ninyo bago niyo binigay kay Congressman Tupas?
Ito hong mga dokumentong to.
Yes, yung 45
Yes, sir.
Alleged properties ni Chief Justice Corona.
These are what we call documents, Your Honor, that can be studied further because...
No, what I'm asking you, did you not verify or authenticate the properties that belong to the respondent, Chief Justice Corona?
We don't normally, sir, certify that a title belongs to a person because what we do is we issue a certified copy and from there it can be inferred, Your Honor, who is the owner.
Kasi meron dito sa number 44, sa TCT number 84241, it is in the name of Ismael A. Matay Jr. And I don't think he has any relation with the